Hi, Theo here again with the next video for the series, the Trade Manager EA series. I have another situation here. It's not something I would usually do as a common type of trade. This is something that I would only do at a specific time of the day, and what I mean by that, I mean trading in the middle of one of these brown line waves. So not to talk too much about trading, but we've had the double top up here and I'm kind of expecting the pound to head on down a little bit further. There's a ton of trades here on the board, but once again beyond the scope of the video. So right now we're just looking for the pound to drop and break this low. So I'm going to place the P sell line right there, which is our pending sell, and providing we don't break the top of that, then this will be our X sell right there. And for now we'll just put the stop loss right there. I can always move it later. Okay, so that's really the trade. I see this little area right here that we're looking to break as the entry, and then I see this area which is not quite significant enough for a black line, but it's almost there, so I'm not going to rule that one out. I can see it much clearer on the tick chart that I like to view at this time of the day. And so that's obstacle 1 for me. This is obstacle 2. So we'll just pop in the take profit. And then as always, if it doesn't quite get there, we don't want to lose. So we'll pop that in there. And that's pretty much it. Everything is updated here. We got a stop loss of 19, a take profit of 21. The 1-to-1 or higher is met. And you can see the lines are all recognized there. It looks like it's going to enter right now. We'll just wait a sec. Got the 1 pip buffer on that line, so as long as it presses on down a tiny bit further, we'll be in the trade. There's always a chance this could take a while, so I'll just pause the video and get back to it in a sec. Okay, it did stall a little bit, but nothing too major. We've gotten into the trade right now. Now, because I'm sort of mid brown wave here, and I'm kind of treating this as just a morning burst type of trade, I'm going to move my stop loss to 1 peak back. This is increasing my risk reward a little bit, but I wanted my entry position size based on a bigger stop loss. Working on a percentage base, so you can see all of the readouts just to the left here. I've put them on the chart, the types of money management available, so you can learn the ins and outs of that. Other than that, that's sort of the next element to the Trade Manager I wanted to introduce in this video, and that's an understanding for you of the trade management options. We'll pause it though and get back to it at the end of the trade and just take a quick look. Okay, this trade is over. We went through the lock profit trigger straight to the take profit again. There's no cause for concern. Market was flowing nicely. This didn't take very long at all. Trade Manager allowed you to do it in a set and forget fashion as always, so that you don't interfere with anything and you just let it run its course. Emails were sent out at all the important junctures where you may or may not want to adjust something, or take a look at least and see how things are going. So that's a wrap, and do stay tuned for the next video.